Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will let to show you the way how to see the gender of your followers on Instagram. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Instagram application, and right after that there will be like several sections down part here. Just visit their profile page, go click this part, and the next thing you need to do is just go create this three straight lines on the top side. So actually analyzing the gender of the followers can be done by professional account, so make sure that you already change your Instagram account from personal to professional. It will like pop up here whenever you already change the professional, and make sure also the followers of your account is more than 100 before you can analyze the insight. So here I got 1,000 followers, and let's just check the gender of them by go click these three straight lines, and right after that you just need to go scrolling up until you got this insight, and then you just need to go click it. So the next thing you need to do is just go click this total followers and scrolling down, and here there will be like show to you the cities of your followers, the range of age, and the gender, and you got to stay here to analyze the gender of your followers. Mostly my followers here is woman with 56.2%, while for the men it's 43.7%. So that is the way how to see the gender of our followers on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.